Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Telegram. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Telegram application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Next, look at the top left of your screen where you'll find 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Step 3. Now you'll see several options in the menu. Look at the top right corner and you'll spot a small icon that looks like a moon. This is the option for dark mode. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the moon icon to enable dark mode instantly. The background will change and you'll enjoy a more comfortable, darker interface while using Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.